Hi everyone, morning. Today we are going to prepare the treat lunch for our pets. Now we are going to give the pets what I prepared. See how they are going to take it up. Go, sweetie, inside. See? You can have. You can just leave it wherever you want. They will start to have it. See how beautifully they are having it? Yes. See? Their favorite food. And they love to have this every time. Weekly once when we give that, they love to have it. See how beautiful they are. And then next we can see how she's seeing. Yes, sweetie, you like it? We'll go to the next one and feed them also. See how she's seeing, grabbing it. They love to have it. These are my Frenchies. Now see how they are going to grab it up. Just leave it there. And you can see how they're going to come and have it. Come, everybody. Come, Frenchies, come, mamam. Come, mamam. Come, mamam. Yay, yummy, yum. Come. They love to have it. Come. They love to have them. Delicious. I just fill it in their container like this, and they will start to have it. Come, Shinky, baby. Come on, baby, come. Come. See how beautifully they are having it. Yummy. Yes, yummy. Yes, yummy. Come. Yes, come. Go and have it. They like when we touch them also. See? Come, sweetie girl. Come. This is their favorite. See how they're lovely. They're eating the coriander leaves and the bread. This is how they enjoy. These are our little Frenchies. See how many are there? White and gray, multicolor. So I've kept food for them, same. They'll come and pick it. Come. Let's just come. Come. See, cute one. See, lovely, they're eating. Come. Yay! They are cute Frenchudama. They are a favorite one. The white one is a favorite. See, one more is coming. See how lovely they are. They are pretty Frenchies.